you're ready. Let's go. So the first two rules on that sign were reel the bird in slowly. If you hook a bird with your hook, reel him in slowly. Do not cut the line, because then he will probably end up dying with a line tangled all around his wings. So you reel him in slowly, and then you cover his head with the towel to calm him down, and then you remove the hook from wherever he's hooked. You gently remove the hook, and then you can bring him to the Loggerhead Wildlife Rescue Center right down the street. There's an 800 number on that sign that you can call, and they will bring him in and rehabilitate him and do any surgery needed on the bird. And that's a great addition to this community, because there's a lot of fishing going on in this community, and these accidents happen on a regular basis. So it's great that that center exists. We donated our $5 suggested donation for admission today, and that goes to help fund the center and keep it operational and keep them supplied with medical supplies and such that they can rescue sea turtles and staff the facility and keep up with all the expenses of the property as well. So that's it for this week's edition of Holistic Travel Guy. Check out all my other holistic videos, and thumbs up and like, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you down at the end of the pier at Juno Beach Pier on a beautiful sunset off to the west. And hopefully we'll get out here tomorrow morning for sunrise in the east. And that'll be great if we can. It'll be off over the ocean. The sunrise will be over the Atlantic in that direction. We'll see you out here at 6:30 at Juno Beach Pier.
Sunrise is as soon as it can.